Friends, welcome to the yet another project by Vijay Khanke. Today we have prepared a man following dog. Why I am saying a man following dog? Because it follows us just like a dog, and sometimes it works like a tange wala just because of its movement. Now let's see the robot from side view. Here is a right side and here is a left side. It's just like a dog. Now let's move on to the physical part. These I have used it like the legs of a dog, and these are the front two wheels and these are the back two wheels. Let's move on to the robotic components, or we can say the sensors. Now let's see, this is an IR sensor, and this IR sensor is attached to the distance sensor which is here in between these two sensors. Now let's move on to this is actually a power supply to this whole circuit. Now this is the motor which is exactly running this dog. Now let's see how it works. Now I'm going to switch on the power supply and let's see how the dog starts running. Here I switch on. Now you can see here, wow. Now from this direction you can see its movement. It is going like a tangawala, isn't it? See how beautiful it looks. It's changing its direction. Friends, you can also prepare this kind of projects with the help of very small kits which are available in the market. Now it's completely taking around, it's going long. I think it's going to the kitchen. So let's see. So in this way, here is another direction where it's going. So thank you for watching this video, and we will come back with another video with different project. Thank you. Bye bye.